In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook using Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that is easy to use, and you'll be able to create your own ebook quickly and easily without any hassle at all. My name is Steve from stevenjonesy.com. I create 2 videos a week, one video for personal development and education like this one, and the other video is usually about health and nutrition. Without further ado, I'll go on to the screen capture, but before I do that, I'll ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, here we are. This is the homepage for canva.com. Obviously you need to sign up account for free on Canva, so just go to canva.com and then sign up, and once you've signed up you come up to this page. This is the homepage. So what you're going to do to create our own ebook, we will come to this search bar here, and then we need to type A4 document. So just type A4 and then it will come up with the A4 document there. And then these are the documents that we want to choose one from, but we're just going to go to create a blank A4 document there, and then the white canvas will come on our screen. On the left toolbar there will be some different templates that we're going to choose one of them, and further down this is the elements that we'll be working from. So what we're going to do, we're going to select one of these, but before you do that, just hover over them and then look at it, you see that it's a free one. The pro ones will say it's pro, but the one thing that I want you to look at is the one with more than 1 page. So this one has got 1 page, this one has got 1 page, just says free. So this one is 1 of 2. It means there's 2 pages. As you can see, when you hover over it, it will just slide to show the rest of the pages. So let's see if we can find one that has got more than 2 pages, so we can create something more. And this one has got 3. Let's see how they look. You can hover over it and let the pages slide, or you can just click once on it and then the pages will be displayed for you. Let me see. Oh, this one has got 10. Yeah, so this one has got 10 pages. So let's click once on that and see the pages. So you can see all the pages are there. So what you want to do, you can select 1 page, or you can just apply all of them. So let's apply all of them and see what happens. We'll click on that and then see that page. The first page is there already. I think they've just applied all of them. Now if you scroll up again, you'll see the pages are all there. So this is the template that we'll be working on. So one thing I like about Canva is that it's a drag and drop tool. So you just click on something on the canvas and then drag and then drop it to where you want it, and you can just click and customize everything that is on the template there. So we're gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna change the color of to get my brand color. So I'll click on that and then change that color to my brand color, which is blue, and then I'll change the text color there to black. So if you click on the text, then you come up here where the letter is, and then the text color will come. They've got different colors that you can choose from, and the colors that you use a lot, they'll end up grouping themselves together, but you can create what we call brand colors. So you can create one for free account, you can create more than one when you've got a pro account. So I'm just going to select the black text, and this one, to delete this, I'll just press delete on the keyboard or backspace if you're using a Mac, or just click on it and then come up here and then click the bin there. So we'll click that element to delete it. So what we're going to do now, we can just change the title of our book, of our ebook. I'll just say self-discipline. Just doing this one because I can't type because I believe so much in self-discipline, and I've got a book that I've done on that. Self-discipline space. Let's see what we can write here. I'll just say mastery. Yeah. Then you can go up here and increase the size or the font size. Let's see if we can get us 52. Let's go to 56 and see what you can do as well. You can even drag it to increase a bit more. So that's, I think that looks good. Let's see what's happening there. There we go. Let's read it. That's fine. And I like that. So then the photo, to come and change the photo, obviously self-discipline, we can use that. So we can come out of that. We can delete that. You just do the same as I said before. I'll just come back. So what you can do, you can delete, and then you you'll have the space holder there left for you to insert the photo. To insert the photo here, you just come up to the photos and then insert one photo that you like here. If you click on the photo, let's say I like to insert a photo that is related to the topic. So let's see if we can put this one in. So you click on it and then it comes here, or what you can do, you can drag it and then bring it straight inside. So if you click on it, it will come up here, but you need to drag it into the placeholder. As you can see there, there's a very nice photo. I'll leave that in, but if you want to put your own photo, I'll show you on the next page anyway. I'll change that to the brand color as well, so you can have uniformity. And then here you can change and put your name there, so people can know it's you who done this. And that's it. Increase the font there so people can see a little bit. Maybe that's too big. And that's it. And the first page is done so quick like that. I like the way it looks. So you can change this color here. Let's see. Maybe this one. Let's see if we can change that one a little bit. And no. I'll just leave it there. Let's leave it like that. Looks good. So that's the first page, so quick. And then you can go on and change the rest of the of your book. So if you want to put any new photo here, I'll just do it right. I'll just change that to maybe about the author. Let's say about the author. Then you can write something about yourself there, just a little bit. You go and change the color of the text, and then so you can be uniform. There you go. There you go. Then to change the photo, if you want the photo that you already have, what you do, you can obviously delete that one. Then you come up here to uploads. Uploads are the photos that you've brought into from your computer into Canva. So you uploaded them in there. So you can go to upload media, and then with the device, it will take them from your computer. Then, or you can just drag the photo into here. So I'll put one photo that I have here. Let me see which one. I'll just pick one. I'll just pick this one, and then I'll just drag it in here. Then what you can do, just to position the photo a little bit better, so you can double click on the photo, then you see it will allow you to drag the photo into the right position, and then you click done, and then the photo is in the right position. So there you go. That's what you can do. Then you can remove, you see these elements are all grouped together. Usually they move together. If you want to only leave this bit and remove this one, you come up here and ungroup them, and then as you can see now, they're ungrouped now, they move separately. So take out that one, and then this you can just make it like a proper text now, and then increase the font a little bit. I'll just go to 14, and then let's see if we can make that paragraph visible. Can just move it a little bit. You see now it's moved to the side. What you can do to put it right in the middle, you can come up to position here and then put right to the center. You see it's moved to the center. Or the other way you can do it is just to move it, to click on it and then move around. Then you see the purple line comes. It's telling you right, it's in the middle now. You can carry on and change your colors to what fits your brand, and there you go. So that's the next page, and then the other page you can carry on now and customize it the way you want it. You can remove elements, all of them if you want, and then ungroup this. You see they're all grouped together, they move together, so you can ungroup them. Then you can click on one of them, then move it there at the bottom, and then make that one like a separate paragraph. Then you can increase the font, maybe 14. We're happy with that, and then you do the same for this one, 14, and then we know we've got then see the purple lines come. Yeah, it tells you right, you're in the middle, and there you go. Then you just change whatever topics that you have on your book that you're writing. So this, you can do this for anything. If you've got a blog and you want take some of the contents from your blog post and make it a giveaway, you can do that as an ebook as well. And Canva is the best place to do that. So we've done our book there now. What you can do, because we've got 10 pages, some we don't need, so what you can do, I'll show you. You click on the page and then come up to delete page there, and do the same for the other one as well that you don't need, and that's it. And we'll take that one out as well. So just click the entire page and then delete. That's it. So that's our book. It's almost done. And then the last thing that you want to do after you've customized everything, you've got all the pages and everything, it looks good, you're happy, and then you come to you want now upload your book so they can be ready for people to see it, so that you can also maybe get a code for it to put it on your website, wherever you want, or you just want to send it to people. You come up here to that arrow, it says download, then it will Canva will suggest you what you should print it as or save it as. So this is a PDF print, which is the perfect one to save as. And then here you've got the pages that you want to save. So if you go down here as well, you see it's got all other different stuff in there. If you've got a little video that you want to play in there, it will obviously come up to this one, to the MP4 video, because it wants to include the video into your book, but it's a PDF document, so it's fine with PDF print. So we will do that. And if you want to find more of what you can do once you've finished your book, you can come up here, those three dots there, and then you can download, you can share the link and send to an email, or you can share it straight to Facebook if you want. If it's a book that you want people to have a look at Facebook or Twitter, or it will just go straight away to that, or send it to your Google Drive as well. So and all these other format that they have there. But for now, we'll just download as PDF print. Click download. So all those 7 pages are now doing their magic, and then the book is being created as we speak. And within a few seconds, we will have our book. And as you can see, it's all done, it's saved. Then we'll check the book. There it is, it's loaded. So I will open the book there. And this is it. This is our self-mastery ebook that we've just done. So quick, it didn't take long, as you can see. There you go. There is the about page, and then the description we've done, and more that you obviously you customize that to what you're talking about in your book. And this is it, guys. This is how you can create an ebook using Canva easily and quickly. As I said before, I create 2 videos a week, one video for personal development and education, and the other video is about health and nutrition. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Otherwise, guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate that. I will see you in the next video. You take care. Bye.